Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss how to generate an object code and an object program for the given SIC-XC program. So today's topic is problems on SIC-XC program. Now let us see how to generate an object program for the given SIC-XC program. This is an example program where we have to generate an object program and an object code for the given SIC-XC program. This is a program given to us. Along with this, even the object code and the object program and the data for the mnemonic code is also given. For considering these data, first we need to find out the object code, location, and after finding the object code, we have to find out the object program for the given SIC-XC program. Now we have been given all these particular things. So first we need to find out the location counter, and then next we have to find out the object code for each instructions. After that we have to convert this program into an object program. Now we'll discuss about how to find out the location counter for each instructions. This is a given problem. We need to find out the location counter. Initially, the first value will be always equivalent to the value mentioned in the operand page. So, 405D, it will be the first location counter because it is equivalent to the operator page. Next, now for finding the location counter for next instruction, we need to check the type of instructions. Depending upon the type, we need to add the bytes to it for the location counter. Now for finding the location counter, we need to check the type of instruction, whether it is a type 1, type 2, type 3 or type 4. If it is type 1, we need to add 1 bytes. If it is type 2, we need to add 2 bytes. If it is type 3, we need to add 3 bytes. If it is type 4, we need to add 4 bytes. Now, for the next instruction, we need to check whether it is a type 1, type 2 or type 3 or type 4. First, clear, they have given an X. X, it is a register where it is a type 2 instruction. So we need to add a 2 bytes. So 405D plus 2 bytes will get 405F. For calculating the location counter, we need to use a hexadecimal conversion in scientific calculator. Where it should be in the base mode, we have to convert it to the hexadecimal. So we need to use a hexadecimal where we need to add 405D plus 2 bytes will get 405F. Next, length. Length, it is a format tree where if plus symbol is involved before the instruction of opcode, then it will be type 4. If registers are involved, then it will be the type 2. Other than the registers and the plus symbol, it will be the type 3. If it has only a single byte, then it will be format 1. So next instruction, it will be the format 3 because no registers are involved and also the no plus symbols are involved before the instruction. The same it will follows for this instruction also, because no registers are involved and even plus symbol. It follows till the buffer X and even output also. So we need to add 3 bytes to it. So 405F plus 3, it will be 4062. 4062 plus 3, it will be 4065. 4065 plus 3, it will be 4068. Then next, it is also a format 3. So we need to add 3 bytes. 406B plus 3, it will be 406E. Now, for TIXR, it has a register T. So it will be the format 2. We need to add 2 bits. So 406E plus 2, it will be 4070. For each instruction. Next, the first instruction, it is a clear, where clear is given as before. It has a register X. It has a number 1. So it is a format 2. So this is the format 2 instruction, where the opcode register 1 and register 2 is involved. Clear, it is given as B4. So B4 value, it is the storage of 8 bits, and the register 1 and register 2. Opcode for the type 2, the opcode will have 8 bits. So B, we have to write the B in a binary form. It is 1011, and 4 it is 0100. So anyway it has storage of 8 bits, so we can write all 8 bits here. Register 1, it has the X register 1, so we need to write 0001, and register 2, we don't have any register 2, so it will be 000. Now for finding an object code, it will be, we have to group this thing, where for finding an object code we need to group for 4 bits. So grouping for 4 bits, it will be having, like, it is B, 010011, it is a B, and 0100, it is a 4, and this is 1 and 0. So it will be B410. The object code for first instruction, it will be B410. Now the next instruction, it is a len. It is a format 3, where it is a representation of the format 3, where N, I, X, B and P and E, it is the flag bits, and the 12 displacement we have to write. LDT, it is a 74. For the format 3, the representation, it will be having a 6 bits, so we need to write only the 6 bits. So the representation of 74, it is 0111010, so we need to write 01101, and the displacement, we need to calculate the displacement for the length address, where 4036, it is the address of the length, minus the next instruction of the length, it is 4062. So while doing minus, it will get minus 2. See, we have to convert it to the 2's complement, where we will get hexadecimal value, where we need to write FD4. Hexadecimal conversion of minus 2C is FD4. So the opcad value will be, we have to group for 4 bits. While grouping for 4 bits, we will get 772FD4. We'll get 772FD4. And the next instruction is output, where the TD value is E0. It is also a format 3, where the bit representation for 30 is 111, 00, where it has 6 bits. So as we are not using any X and intermediate register or hash symbol, so it will be 1 1, and the base address and the P value, it will be decided based on the displacement. So displacement, it is a 4076, where here output is there. No output, we have to find out that output value is 4076. We are finding the TD value, where the opcode is output. For the output value is 4076 minus the next register of that, it will be 4065. The next register of the output, it will be the 4065 location address. So we'll get 11. So we need to group for 4 bits. While grouping for 4 bits, we'll get E, it is 110, it is E, and this one is 3, this is 2, this is 0 and 1, double 1. So the object code for the output is E32011. The next instruction is W loop, where it is also a format tree. This is a representation of the W loop, the instruction. It is given as JEQ, where it is 30, where we need to write in a binary form. This is a representation 00, 11 and 00, where we are not using any intermediate register, immediate addressing or hash symbol, so it will be 1 1. We are not using any register, it will be 0, and the B and P value it will be decided based on the displacement PC value, where E it is 0 because it is a format 3. If it is format 4, the E value will be 1. So the displacement is 4062, where the W loop value is 4062, location counter value. Then minus, the next instruction of W loop is 4068, while minus will get -6. Now converting it to hexadecimal will get FFA. So it falls in the range of -2048 to 2047. So the B value will be 0 and the P value will be 1, while grouping 4 bits will get 332 FFA, while grouping 4 bits will get 332 FFA. And the next instruction is buffer X. It is also a format 3, and the representation of buffer, it is instruction is LDCH, where it is a 50, where we have to write it in a binary form 0 1 0 0 0, and we are not using any N or I value. Here we are using a X, so we need to write the X value as 1, and it is a format 3, the E value will be 0, and we have to find out the displacement, where displacement is 4033, where the address of the buffer is given 4033 minus the next instruction of that buffer, it will be 406B minus 38. We have to convert it to hexadecimal, we'll get minus FC8. So while grouping the 4 bits, we'll get as 53AFC8. And the next instruction is an output. It is also a format 3, where the instruction is WD, where it is given as DC. We have to write it in a binary form. So DC value will be 1101100. It is a opcode, it is a format 3, so 6 bytes. We have to write only 6 bytes. We are not using any adds or hash symbols, so N and I value will be 1. We are not using any registers here, so 0. B and P value it will be decided based on the PC relative. E value, it is a format 3, for by default the E value will be 0. The displacement 4076, where the output value, it is a 4076 output value in this table. In the location counter it will be 4076 minus the next value, it will be 406C. So we'll get 8. So we need to write the displacement here in 12 displacement 008. So it ranges from -2048 to 2047. So B value will be base, which will be 0, and the program counter will be 1. While grouping the 3 bits, will get DF2008. So the object code for the output is DF2008. And the next instruction is T. It is a format 2. So TIXR, it is given as B8. We need to write it in a binary form. So it is 8 bits, so we can write all the 8 bits here. So 10 111 000, and we are using T register. It is having 0101, where T value it will be 5 in the mnemonic number, and we are not using any register 2. So it will be 000. By grouping 4 bits, will get as B850. for the object code for the T is B850. And the next instruction is W loop, where it is given as JLT38. It is also a format 3. We need to write it in a binary form. So JLT38, it will be 00111100. Where it is a 6 bits, we need to write only the 6 bits. So 001111 and 0. We are not using any hash or H symbol, so N and I value will be 1. We are not using any register, so X value will be 0. E, it is a format 3, so it will be 0. Displacement where 4062. W loop, where it is value is 4062 location counter minus the next instruction is 4073. It will be having minus 11. So we have to convert it to the hexadecimal, where it will be FEF. It ranges from minus 2048 to 2047. So the B value will be 0 and the program counter will be 1. Then while grouping the 4 bits, will get as 3B32FEF. Will get as 3B32FEF. The object code for the W loop is 3B32FEF. And the next instruction is RSUB. RSUB, it is a format 3. So RSUB, it is given as 4C. So we need to write it in a binary form. So 4C is 0100. It is a 6 bits. So we need to write only a 6 bits here. So 010011. So we are not using any I or intermediate or hash symbol. So it will be 11. No registers are used, 0. Then B and E value will be decided based on that. While group. Now we have find out all the object code for the instruction. Now we need to find out the object program. Object program mainly consisting of 3 things: header section, text section and end section. Where header section starts with a H and header 6 columns are used to represent the name of the program. H, we can write it in a 5 columns. Where header section, it consisting of H. Where header section, we have to write it in 6 columns. So the first column is consisting of the program name, where the starting program name. Here in this program, the starting program name is WRREC. So we need to write WRREC. Next column, it will be the blank. And the next address, we need to write the starting address, the location counter of the starting address. We need to write it in 6 bytes, so it will be 00450D. And the next instruction is 001A. We need to minus the location counter. 4077 minus 405D will get it as 001A. And the next, it is a text instruction where we need to write all the object code and it should not exceed the 69 bytes, 69 columns. In text index, it will be having the 69 columns. So here it is the first instruction where 00405D location counter. 1A, it is a program bytes where we need to minus the location counter 4077 minus 405D. Then B410, it is an object code for first instruction. 772FD4 for second instruction length. And E32011, the third instruction for output, and 332FFA for the next W loop instruction, 53AFC8 for the output instruction, DF2008 for the output instruction, B850 for the T, 3B32FE for the W loop JLT instruction, and 4F00 for RSUB, and 05 it is for byte X05. It is a text index where we need to write all the object code. And the E, it is a end section where we need to write the first starting address, where we need to write it in 6 columns. So we need to write it in 00450D. So this is the object program where we need to convert. First we need to find the object code and then we need to convert it to the object program, mainly consisting of header, text and the end section, where the length address it will be 4077 minus 405D, where it will be 001A. Thank you.